Hey everybody, how's it going? It is your man, Daniel Wiafe, the house flipping ninja, coming at you from my casa, my house in Las Vegas, Nevada. I hope everybody is doing well today, this morning, this evening, whenever you are watching this video. Today, we are going to talk about building yourself up a social presence online, okay? Not just so that you can just be popular and get a bunch of Instagram likes or whatnot, but so that you can establish credibility with those potential sellers who are looking you up and even buyers who are looking you up, to make sure that you are actually the real deal and you are actually who you say you are, okay? Before we get started with this video though, I want you to do a few things for me. Number one, I want you to go ahead and like this video. Number two, I want you to hit the little ninja icon button if you're watching this from your computer, which is right down here below my finger, and subscribe to my channel. And then next, I want you to comment below this video and let me know what your name is and what city and state you are from. Last but not least, I want you to hit the bell notice, and that will notify you whenever I come up with a new video, okay? But let's go ahead and get into the meat of this. Let's talk about building up a social presence, okay? So this was asked by one of my Dojo Academy students. How do you build up a social presence? Because my students were looking at me and they said, okay, well, Daniel, when people look up your name, they will see all types of videos and clips, and they'll see that you were on TV, that you're on HGTV, and you have like hundreds of videos. You've been interviewed by magazines, by newspapers, television stations, and all that, okay? But you guys, it's very, very simple for anybody to establish a social presence within literally 1 to 2 weeks, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. What you're going to do is you're going to use the power of YouTube to establish credibility, because people, when they see somebody else on video, they will naturally gravitate towards believing that that person is famous, okay? So if they see a video of yours on YouTube, they're automatically going to think in their head, okay, that Joe Smith, that Julie Jones, she's famous because she's on video. I see her on TV, okay? Even though it's not TV, even though it's a YouTube channel, people will still correlate that with you being famous, with you being credible, okay? And when you are notated as credible by a seller, by a buyer, they're going to trust you, okay? And this whole buying and selling process, you guys, is about you establishing trust and you basically stating and showing people that you are who you say you are, okay? So what you're going to do, you guys, number one, okay, you're going to record videos, all right? And you're going to give good tips, you guys, which will help people that are looking to sell their house, okay? So whenever somebody is a motivated seller and they're looking to sell their house, you guys, there's a few things that they're going to look for, okay? They're going to look for things like type in the search engines, they're going to type in sell house fast in Memphis, Tennessee. They're going to type in something to the effect of, got a little moth in front of here. So when people are motivated sellers and they're looking to sell their house, you guys, they're going to type in a few different things in the search engine, whether it's YouTube or Google, okay? They're going to type in things like how to sell my house fast in Jacksonville, Florida, or home buyers in Memphis, Tennessee. Okay, they'll type in things like sell house that's in probate in Amarillo, Texas. Okay, you have to brainstorm a list of ideas and questions that people will search for when they're looking to find a solution to their problem, okay? So when people are looking to sell their ugly house and they want to sell it fast for cash, what are they going to type in the search engine, okay? And you need to brainstorm those ideas. And then you're going to put in your location, okay? Whatever city and state that you're marketing for, that you're wholesaling in, you're going to use that geographic identifier within the search term, okay? So whether it's sell my house for cash, Omaha, Nebraska, okay? You're gonna always combine the search term with the geographic identifier, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna record videos, okay? Just like I'm doing right now. Right now I'm recording this video on my cell phone, okay? And I have a microphone with a microphone that's lavalier. It's a clip-on microphone. It cost me 10 bucks off of Amazon. And then I have a 5-foot extender which extends it out to my phone. And that literally cost me 10 bucks, okay? And I'm using a tripod to hold my phone so that it's level, so it looks somewhat professional. The tripod cost me about 15 bucks off of Amazon as well. Okay, and you can have a very, very professional setup with just by buying the things that I just told you. Okay, you guys. And what you're going to do is you're just going to record these videos and you're going to actually help people. Okay, answer their questions, tell them what they need to do. Okay, and what that does is when somebody is searching for that on Google or YouTube, they're going to say, okay, well, hey, I like this person, I trust them, they help me out for free, and I want to do business with them. I want to reach out to them so that they can help me sell my house and get cash in my hand. Okay, and so that is one of the biggest things that you can do. Okay, so record the video and then you're going to upload it to YouTube. All right, you're going to use the search terms as a title of your video. You're going to put it in the description as well, and then you're going to use the tags and then put down some of the items that people will be searching for. Okay, you're going to upload that to YouTube, and then what you're going to do is you're going to use a service called pingomatic.com. Okay, pingomatic.com. Okay, you're going to put that YouTube video link in there, and then you're going to ping it, and then it's going to automatically send it to a bunch of the different web services that are out there, which will get your YouTube video listed on the first page of Google fairly quickly. Okay, and what this is going to do, you guys, oh, and then on top of that, you guys, you're going to put your name, your full name, in the description, okay, of the video. Okay, and you can even put it in the title. And then what's going to happen, you guys, is you want to do at least one of these videos a week. Okay, and so over the course of a month, you'll have 4 videos, 4 to 5 videos. Over the course of 3 months, you'll literally have almost 15 videos. Okay, so when people do a search for your name, okay, Daniel Wiafe Las Vegas, they're going to see all those videos, okay, of you basically giving out help. And they're going to say, okay, well, yeah, this guy wants to buy my house, or this lady wants to buy my house, and I just researched them out on Google, and all these videos popped up, and they're giving out credible information. So they must be the real deal, okay? And again, you guys, this is powerful stuff. This is very, very powerful stuff. And then in your videos, you always want to include a call to action, okay? So you want to basically state, if you need help and you live in Missouri City, give me a call right now at this phone number, or visit my website at this website address. Okay, always have a call to action at the end of your videos. Okay, so here's my call to action for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you want more information on how to flip houses fast for cash, go to this YouTube, I'm sorry, not YouTube, but go to this website address below my fingers.